If you want to hide photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the gallery. Now, once we open the gallery, we should be able to open any photo or video that we want to hide. And then we're going to use these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have the option to move to private album. And of course, we need to confirm our choice. And there we go. Now, if you want to, you can of course hide multiple photos and videos at once. If you press and hold your finger to select a photo or a video, then you should be able to select additional ones. And once you select everything that you want to hide, you should be able to tap on more at the bottom. And then here you can also find Move to Private Album. There we go. Now, in order to find your hidden photos and videos, you want to tap on the menu in the bottom right corner. And then here we can choose Private Album. You will need to tap on this lock in order to proceed. Use your biometrics or screen lock password in order to continue, and here we have our hidden photos and videos. Leave a like and subscribe.